Hi, this is the group of Lucía, Piñas and I, Marc Caballe, and we are going to show you our movie website. We have used an API from the IMDb website to do the whole project. This is our web page where we have a search button with a search box. We have a home and our list of top-rated movies, upcoming movies, and popular movies. About top-rated movies, we have a carousel of the movies and upcoming movies and the popular movies. At the bottom we have a footer, and at the top we have the search box. If you click in the upcoming movies, you will see only upcoming movies. Here we have our main text, our function app, where we have a navigator, the router, the links of the router, that we have the rise of all the list of the movies. We have the top rated movies, the movies upcoming, and movies popular. Inside the router we have the routes, where we will take the arrays of the movies, and the component where we will take the array. At the top we have all the imports, all the JavaScripts that we will use in all of whole project. Now I will explain how it works our movie list. We have the import of the carousel that we use only in this class, in this movie list. Here we have the imports of the routes and the link. And now I will explain how it works our class, movie list. We have an array of movies that we will use in the fetch of the movies. Here is the fetch of top rated movies where we have our API. This array of movies will take the JSON results, and in the render we will see the carousel, where in the carousel we have this, the map, that we will take the array of movies, travel around all the array, and take the films, or take the names of the films and the pictures and the average rate and other things. And now my partner, Lucía, will explain how it works the movie details, movie similars, and the search box.
Okay, now in order to explain the movie details, we are going to be in the app JavaScript. Well, here we have a route that will put the path movie details plus the ID of the film we have select. And if we go to the movie details JavaScript, we have that we are receiving that prop and storing it in the ID parameter. So later we can use this ID in order to fetch the data of that movie. So we store of all this fetch, we store the data of that film in the parameter film, but also the similar movies to that movie and the genres of that movie. Well, later in the return we have here some interface, but important here is that we are printing the film that we have in the set state, and we are printing the title, the release date, and the runtime. Then we have a second fetch, and that will fetch the similar movies. So we have an array called similar movies that will store the JSON result and the data of that movies. And it is printed here in the carousel with a point map. The same happens with the genres that uses a map also here, because it's an array. Okay, so here is the result. We have the page, and if we click in one, it is passing the ID of that movie and displaying all this information. We have the similar movies displayed in a carousel. Here in app JavaScript, we have the movie search page, which is a bar to search. Okay, if we go to the movie search page, we have a form with an input text. This has an event on change that will activate the method store movie every time you write So in a store movie we have this set state that will change the title that was empty in the first time, and will store here the new value of the input. So here in the link we use that title follow. We have search and plus this title, so we go to that page. So if we go to the movie search AP, we are receiving the prop of the movie search page, and we are storing it in the movie text program, and using this program in order to do the new fetch. This will fetch all the movies that has that title and store it in movie list. And also we have movie test that will store what we have been searching for. Then here in the render we do a map of that movie list, of that array of movies, and we put a new link with the ID of every movie. So if you click in the movie, you are going to go to its movie details. And also we display the image, its both average, release date, and the title here. Up we have here the search bar, and we put, for example, Spearman, and this updates and puts here the movie text Spiderman, and display the movie list array with all the movies about Spider-Man. And if we click on a movie, it sends the movie ID and displays its information like before.